Hey there, my name's Steve Bailey, and I want to do a quick review of the One Funnel Away Challenge. I just finished taking the 30-day challenge, and it was one of the most life-changing experiences I've ever had. The training in there was second to none. I have learned more about marketing than I ever thought was possible to know, and actually learned a lot about things I've learned about marketing that were completely wrong, that this course literally flipped it on its ear. The course basically is a 30-day challenge, and every week you get a new skill. And at the end of the 30 days, your goal is to have a fully functional sales funnel that lets you promote whatever you want to promote on the internet, be it an affiliate program where someone else product that you're trying to sell. It could be an MLM if you're in a network marketing company. It could be your own physical product, your own digital product. It doesn't really matter, but the process is the same. If you need sales or you need leads, you need to take the One Funnel Away Challenge. So it costs $100, and that's it. Doesn't cost anything more. And then what you get is you get a big box of stuff. So I'm going to go through real quick some of the things through here. I'm not going to give you everything that's in there, but you start with a physical workbook. Every day you go through a different set of pages and you do what they tell you to do in the workbook. You also get, which I think is worth $100 just by itself, this book. You get the 30days.com book. And in this book, Russell interviewed 30 of his top income earners. They call them the 2 Comma Club. People who've earned 2 commas in their paycheck from one sales funnel that they created. So Russell asked them, if you had lost everything and all you had was a ClickFunnels account, no money, no name, no reputation, no recognition, nothing, how would you get it all back in 30 days? And 30 people answered that question. And step by step, what they would do for that 30 days is in this book. It's a fantastic book. You also get an MP3 player with all of the recordings from every single day from the first time they ran the challenge. You get this on an MP3 player, so you can listen to it after the challenge is over. Because once the challenge is over, all the content is taken away. Because this isn't supposed to be something you're supposed to study for the rest of your life. This is literally a boot camp, if you will, to getting things done. So if you're not going to do the work, don't sign up. If I had to give one piece of advice, and the one thing that I recommend you do before you take this class, is you make the commitment to actually do the work and follow through. There were days on this where I was up till 1 o'clock in the morning doing the work because I knew the work needed to be done, and I knew that I was not going to let myself fall behind. I made the commitment. The first week you're going to learn about mindset and getting your head in the right space to be successful. Then you're going to learn how to, what they call offer hack, where you're going to find other people who are selling similar products on the internet, and you're going to learn how to steal their ideas, and that's a bad thing to say, but basically learn what they're doing that's successful so you can duplicate it. Then you're going to learn the basics of building the funnel, and then you're going to learn how to send traffic to it. Free traffic, paid traffic, doesn't matter. It's all there. It's all in the course. It is the most ridiculous amount of content you will ever get for a $100 investment. So I highly recommend you click on the link below. It is an affiliate link, so you'll be going to my affiliate site. I'll give you a complete rundown of the entire program, and I'll throw in some extra bonuses if you join using my affiliate link. Anyway, 2 thumbs up from me. Russell, you did a great job. Stephen, you did a great job. Just wanted to let you guys know this is a very recommended course, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.